Hey, what's up? Welcome to Degen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts like the chart behind me, which is of ticker symbol BOIL or BOIL, which is the ProShares Ultra 2x leveraged natural gas. I'm also going to be going over United States natural gas, ticker symbol UNG, as well as the ProShares Ultra Short natural gas, ticker symbol KOLD. And I also want to note before I get into the charts that tomorrow's live stream, which will be November 19th at 9 p.m. Eastern, I'm going to focus on diving into learning more about natural gas pricing, markets, volatility, as well as futures contracts, things like that. So if you are interested in natural gas, would like to learn more about the volatility that we see here, you should definitely tune into the live stream, or you can check it out after the fact. There should be a lot of great material there. I'm really looking forward to learning while during the live stream, and you're welcome to join for that. But anyways, back into the charts. I just want to point out that on November 17th, we hit a new low of $43.54, closing at, as you can see up there, $45.43, which not only did we hit a new low, we also closed below the prior low of $45.60. So those are two things that seem fairly bearish with this. However, if we look at the shape of the candle from Friday, it does look like a spinning top, which could suggest a reversal. And when we do look at UNG and KOLD, I think both of those will support the hypothesis that we might be seeing a reversal. So that gives me some confidence. But anyways, a couple levels that I want to point out. $48.20 was pierced on November 16th. That's a Thursday. And so I was pretty excited that level was hit. I had some orders at $48.20. And also with the close being above that level at $48.38. I felt super smart that day. However, as we know from the 17th, price dropped a lot more. I was able to scoop up some more shares, but it was a big surprising drop on Friday. But I think that there's some good news around the corner, or I suspect there will be. So don't lose all hope yet. Okay, and then a level above 48.20 that is also marked in purple. $50.60 or right around $50 that has served as what looks like support in the past, and I suspect it will be resistance moving forward. Also, I have $54.50 marked in a thick blue line. That seems to be pretty significant, and looking at how it served as support and resistance multiple times in the past, most recently as resistance. So I suspect that will be resistance again moving forward. Then I also have these two gaps marked that in order to fill them, price would need to get to $58.81 and $63.49. So those seem like important levels to pay attention to. Also, in the last video, I had mentioned there's a possibility of there being a bounce to $58, which, as we know, unfortunately didn't happen. I was thinking that because we had this green candle on the 13th, there might be a continuation up until the bottom, this middle part of this M here. But that did not happen. And actually, I think if I had looked at UNG, United States Natural Gas, I think it would have been a little bit clearer that we had already gotten to resistance. But I wasn't looking at that. So I should have done that before making that video. So I apologize about that. But on that note, I think that UNG could give us some insights into whether or not this is a bottom. So let's look over at that stock. And so as we can see, on Friday, the 17th, a new low was not hit. And also, the close was above prior closes, like this close on May 4th. That seems like it has been an important level. That's $6.11, having served as support over here. Looks like it's serving as support again. So I feel fairly confident in that. Also, I'm just going to zoom in so we can see it a little better. it looks like we have a bullish hammer, or at least it could be a dragonfly doji, but it's a little bit thick, so let's call it a bullish hammer. That would suggest a reversal. And so hopefully we can fill this gap that was recently formed. So I'm feeling a little bit more confident about the price action of natural gas. I think that there will be some upward moves in the coming weeks, but at the same time, these levels could be broken and it could go down more. And then also to kind of boost the confidence further, if we look over at KOLD, this is the ultra short ETF, that looks like a bearish hammer. So that would suggest a reversal following coming to the downside. So when KOLD is going down, UNG and Boyle should be going up. So that makes me feel a little bit better about the big drop that we saw across natural gas. And with that note, I would think that we'll be seeing a decrease in KOLD. And so just coming back to this chart on Boyle, I'm not sure, if the price action is going to be positive the next week with it being a shorter week thanks to Thanksgiving. But I do think that we could be near a bottom, or if not having formed a short-term bottom. But I do think that coming towards the end of the month, there will be a nice opportunity to pick up shares at a low, perhaps lower price. And I suspect that there will be some upward moves following that. But, before jumping to that conclusion, good for us to learn more about natural gas pricing, which we'll be doing tomorrow during the live stream. Sunday, 9 p.m. is when I do those live streams. So yeah, come check out the stream, hang out, ask your questions. Should be pretty cool. And so this week we'll be focusing on natural gas. So thanks a lot for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching.